Ever closed a browser window and lost all your tabs by accident? Brave has a built-in warning that can stop that from happening. Let me show you how to turn it on. First, open the Brave browser on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click the three-line menu icon. From the menu that drops down, scroll toward the bottom and select Settings. This will open a new page with all of Brave's preferences. On the left side, take a moment to scroll down, then click on System. Now shift your focus to the right panel, where the system options appear. Here, look for the setting that says, Warn me before closing windows with multiple tabs. This option helps prevent accidentally closing a window when several tabs are open. To enable it, simply click the toggle so it moves to the right. Once it's on, Brave will show a warning message anytime you try to close a window with multiple tabs. If you ever decide you don't need the warning anymore, you can come back to this same spot and turn it off just as easily. And that's all there is to it. A small setting that can save you a lot of time and frustration. If this guide helped, give it a quick like. And consider subscribing for more easy browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.